Now I'd like to dedicate the next song to the late, great Lemmy Kilmister. If you know the history, you know where I'm going with this. Right back to the very early beginnings, and in fact the very first show we ever did as Anvil after we changed our name from Lips. We opened for the mighty Motorhead in Toronto, Canada, where we come from. It was very fucking cool, except that it made me very nervous when Lemmy was standing side stage watching us. I come off stage, I go, Lemmy, what'd you think of Anvil? Well, you guys are pretty good, but you've got too many fucking hard parts. And I'm thinking, what's he talking about? What's in my pants or in my music? We know he was talking about the music, at least we hope so. Yeah, man, well, he loved Anvil so much that he decided to have us come out and tour all over the UK in '83. How fucking cool is that? That's when I found out what No Sleep Till Hammersmith really meant. Oh yeah, we just started out on that tour and it was like, when the fuck we getting a night off, man? It's these guys just do not go to sleep, they just keep going. Finally we get a fucking night off in Birmingham and I'm thinking, shit, I'm gonna go party with Lemmy. Oh yeah. So I make my way up to his hotel room and there he is sitting with a 40-ounce bottle of vodka and a 60-ounce bottle of orange juice. And he starts mixing them in the drink, in these big tall glasses. He goes, Lips, this is called vodka. Okay, vodka, cool. I start drinking this shit and I got fucking well wasted. Oh yeah. And Lemmy's like fucking cracking up. Lips, you're looking a little wasted. You're looking a little under the table. Yeah, I was under the table. I was under the table and licking the fucking floor. He goes, I've got just the solution. And he pulls this little black pouch out of his jean jacket and a pocket knife. He takes the pocket knife, sticks it into the little pouch, and out comes this white powder. He takes the knife, sticks it under my nose, and he goes, sniff it, you cunt. When with Lemmy, you do his Lemmy, and it's like, holy fuck, I thought it was cocaine. No, it's 100% speed, and I'm sitting there grinding my teeth and vibrating, and I had just fucking lost it. And then I start talking, man, and I could not stop, of course, just filled with compliments, telling how much I love him and how much it fucking means to me to be meeting him and what he meant to the whole metal genre. Just saying, hey, dude, man, you're the god, you're the guy who invented this shit. And he goes to me, well, Lips, I'll tell you what, in 6 fucking months, there'll be another bloke sitting across the table from you saying precisely the same thing. I'm thinking, what a fucking, how cool, how humble is that, man? Come on, wow. The thing is, he was absolutely 100% correct, because 6 months later, I found myself down in New Jersey, Old Bridge, New Jersey, home of the Metal Militia. It should sound familiar because, son of a gun, guess who walked through the fucking door of Metal Joe's place? But the Metallica guys. That's right. And of course, I'd never heard of them, but they certainly heard of me. Holy shit, man. They were freaking out like fucking crazy, man. Lars is going, dude, you fucking invented this shit, man. You're a fucking innovator. You've influenced everybody. And I go, listen, Lars, in 6 months, they're going to be saying the same shit to you. And the moral of this story is, it's all about the music.